Set 07 here. Picking it up on Zombie. I freaking love it. Now it's been about a week or two since I played last time, so I don't remember quite. I remember exactly what I was doing, but actually I don't remember.
You should have a gander in Green Park near Buck Palace. There's nothing left of the military installations, but the army's sure to have left behind gear you can't afford to overlook.
Okay, yeah, we're doing an armory thing, getting some guns and stuff. And apparently I've played for
I know you're green as grass, but try and remember to aim before you shoot.
I don't know how to play. Apparently I've played for 3 hours, and I've played with 3 different people. Which is pretty good. Okay. Let's... No. Get this baseball back out. I'm just gonna go this way. Just go the way it tells me. That's all you need to do, Nick. That's all you need to do. It's telling me to go this way, so let's just go this way. Okay, there's a zombie. I don't fuck with those, dude. There's a zombie over here. What the fuck? Dude, what the fuck? He's so fast. Holy shit. What the? What is on you, bro? Bro! Die! I got nails on this thing. Ugh. What the fuck? Dude, he's got issues. What is that? Spread upgrade. Woo! Count me in. Oh, that's one thing I forgot to do. Just upgrade my gun. My weapons. Oh well. Do it later. Please stand clear of the door. I'll do what I want. I need to stop. How do I? Okay. Kind of little rusty on the controls, but we will get through this nonetheless. Don't tempt me. Is my name Kyle in this? No, this guy's name is Kyle. Kyle Wood, I would believe. Okay. Where the fudge knuckle? Raid the military armory. Raid! I'm raiding now. Call me a raider.
This is the Ravens of D calling all survivors. Evacuation will commence when the tower bells ring. I repeat, green light for Tower of London evac.
Evacuation?
Sandra bloody Kelly. Thought she was dead. But pay her no mind. The Ravens couldn't plan an orgy in a brothel. Evac my ass. More likely they'll shoot you and rip your bob from your dead hands.
That's kind of
Keep an eye out for the Colonel. He'll have a key card for the mobile armory.
Oh fuck. Jeez, that guy just flew. One of you guys have a key. Well, all you guys have a key. One of the... I don't know. Why is there so many zombies out here now? Oh, they're crows. They're crows. Ah, fuck, I wanna hit one.
Shit, I'll tell you. The army these days is a bloody holiday camp compared to my day. You're in there now, might as well grab some guns.
Wait, what? Oh, he's a slowpoke. He's a slowin'. Weapons. I've been in here before. There was no weapons. What the fuck are you doing? Loot him! Oh my, he's just fucking teabagging him. There's a key code.
Bloody shame. Waverley was one of the good ones, you know. He had my back all the way through Kuwait and beyond. An honourable man.
Honourable man. Okay, I guess he was telling me to get the... Fuck do I go? Who is screaming? Who? Fucking psychos. All of you. Oh my. My Jesus. Oh my God. Oh my God. It's so bloody. No! Close that before they come up behind me. You're gonna creep up behind me. Oh, spread upgrade again. What is up? What's up with it? Alright, let's go. Let's get this key card and go. Oh, this one.
You're in. Nice. Ha! Now grab whatever you can carry and stash it back at the safe house.
These letters.
Sorry for hacking your comms like this, but the Ravens of D are planning an evacuation from the Tower of London, and we need all the fighters we can get. Help us, and we'll get you out.
Dude, I will help you. Even though I don't want to get out of here.
Good
but...
old C4. Useless in combat, but there's nothing better for blasting your way out.
Firepower upgrade. Just wait. Now that was a pretty small. It's pretty small, huh? Pretty small loot, that's what I'm saying. There was no weapons in there. It was just ammo, which I'm not upset with, but... What the fuck? Oh my God!
You're a sitting duck.
I'm a sitting duck? What the fuck? You just shot that fucking crow. Like, why? Where do you want me to go? Oh my God, who let the zombies out? Oh! What is you? It'll help. Shoot that bitch. Yeah, get fucked up, get wrecked. Oh, what, you want it? Oh, dude, you shoot this one. Oh, dang! They got some shots, dude, I'll tell you what. Okay. I'm gonna trust it's safe. I'm in a pile of blood. Huh. What about those ones? Dude. Yeah. Oh. Oh, yeah, last a second. Do I go in here? Crouch in. Ooh, I think I do. Not. I do not go in there. What was I thinking? Wait, what did that just say? You C4, ha ha ha. Oh! Woo! Look at those fireworks, boys.
You're almost out. Keep going.
I'm going. Where am I going? Upgrade. Spread. I mean, firepower. What the fuck? Firing speed, I guess. I mean, it's whatever. What's in here? What the bloody hell? Really? Dude, it's fucking dark. I don't like this, dude. Exit. Okay.
So you're running away with the birds. Well, let me tell you about the Ravens of D. D's prophecy is clear, but those bloody cowards want to cherry-pick it. They admit D was right about the Blight coming, but think he was wrong about who would survive. There is no saving the world. No evacuation, no cure, no respite. Only the prepared will survive. Isn't that what I've been teaching you?
There's always a cure, you asshole. You've lost your way.
I can tell you're not listening. Fine. But if you go through with this, I won't help you.
Oh shit. Fuck you. Why would I have one guy? I'm not gonna have a... Oh shit. I'm gonna have a couple guys or people with me. Just makes sense to have more people than just you. Dude, this is awesome! Woo! Hello, hello! Tower of London. Woohoo, buddy. So I've been to the Buckingham Palace. Get the fuck out of here. And now, I'm going to the Tower of London. It's my lucky day.
This is Sandra from the Ravens of D. It's good to see you. But you'll need to clear a path to the tower. We lost our sniper on the perimeter. Like so many of our soldiers since it began.
Well, it's not great to see those empty crates. Tell you that much. Fuck this bitch. She has nothing but a good... Can I... Oh, I guess I don't need that. Who are you? Ooh, you're a sniper, man. Okay. Okay, listen. Get out of here. Fucking asshole. Oh. Oh, you guys know how to climb. That's just fucking awesome. That just makes so much sense. They know how to climb. Okay, let's get down to it. Oh, I made it over there. What is that thing? Whatever.
That's a 770, that. I used to shoot naps up the arse with one of those.
Thought you're not helping me. Huh? Thought you wasn't helping. Homie. Oh, that's a radio jammer, ain't it? Oh my god. Jesus. Fuck off. Oh, you know there's gotta be something under here. There's gotta be a point to all this. All this madness. Yes. Yes. Woohoo. Is that all just some ammo? Okay, I guess 2 things of ammo is okay. Guess it's kind of worth it. Crossover? What? Whoa. This is so much to do over here. Oh. I could have done it the whole time. Okay. 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 Fuck that thing. It's on the boat. He's on the boat, bitch. Oh, fuck those guys. We are going to go on the boat. Fuck! I can't remember what it was. Oh my gosh.